So you got your seatbelt back from Safety Restore and you're wondering why it's still locked up, and you're thinking, man, these guys didn't do their job. But let me show you what it is and how it gets unlocked. So you unwrap your seatbelt from the packaging. And you will see our zip tie holding the seatbelt at a specific length for you to install it onto your vehicle. The reason for this is because once it's mounted, it will unlock and naturally let go. You will find it difficult to try to unlock it in your hands. This is why it's best and recommended to mount it in your vehicle so that it can freely unlock and you can use your seatbelt once again. But worry not that before it leaves, it is always quality checked and bench tested for proper seatbelt use. That's why even though your seatbelt seems locked after our repair service, you just need to mount it in your car and you'll be able to use it once again. Thank you for choosing Safety Restore.